Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of TeamViewer not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult to fix it. Here's what we can do. First of all, we need to search for TeamViewer in the Windows search bar, and then you can click on Run as Administrator. Okay, if this helps, well and good. If it doesn't help, then search for TeamViewer again, uninstall it and uninstall it completely. Okay. Now, once it is uninstalled, search for Store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for TeamViewer. Go to TeamViewer Remote and click on the install button here, this one, and then you can reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.